Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well today. Welcome to my YouTube channel. First of all, I request you to please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Today I'll share some interesting and important topics with you guys. That is air conditioning repair phonics. Gilbert AC repair as service after hours, next business day AC repair earlier AM services appointments are available. Contact air conditioning repair phonics. Air conditioner repairman here. Call today for all your AC repairs as heating needs for install to repair as maintain. If you searched air conditioner repair near me, we are trustworthy. Plumbing as air conditioner plumbing company. Forecast has served the greatest phonics area for over 60 plus years. Join our team for skills. Residential AC repair service, top rated walk-in repair for restaurants as bar in phonics. Air conditioner phonics, air conditioner repair as installation. Parker as Sons is ready to help with all of your phonics area air condition maintenance and installation needs. 24/7 AC and heating repair in phonics easy. Call now. Call 480-747-6800 or contact a online schedule HVAC service in Phoenix AZ. We offer same day and 24 hours emergency services in Phoenix. Howard Air Phoenix best air conditioning and HVAC repair installation. Harvard Air specialized in air conditions and HVAC repairs and installations as well as heating installation. I repair both residential and commercial. AC repair phonics air conditioning repair services. Call today as ask our 59.9 drains cleaning special, the village's best price. We can help fast affordable same day service since 1995. Provisions plumbing, high quality plumbing. Call now 6091022758. AC repair in Phoenix AZ. Fix, check your home AC system. Instead, call us at 602-633-9555. As soon as you notice something is wrong, we will fix you air condition before things get worse. AC repair phonics, air conditioner repair services. Feel free to contact us anytime at 602-349-6922. For immediate assistance, we offer 24 emergency service and would be happy to schedule an appointment for you. Top 10 best air conditioner repair in Phoenix. Top 10 air conditioner repair Phoenix. AZ Lawson Air Conditioning. Free price estimates of local HVAC contractors. Short temperature. Trusted air plumbing as heating services in Phoenix. Stay comfortable year round with our expert HVAC and plumbing services in Phoenix area. Trusted for over 80 years. Best emergency air conditioner repair Phoenix AZ. Highly skilled air conditioner services repairs expert in Phoenix. A low firm